Samsung Galaxy Flip Z is what Samsung's next foldable phone is supposedly supposed to be called. And a leak has been going around on Twitter showing the flippable phone. Now, the thing that makes this phone different is that it kind of competes with the Motorola Razr instead of flipping horizontally like the Galaxy Book, which in its own had its issues. It flips in like the classic old flip phones that we had back in the day. And when you flip it out, it looks like, you know, a standard big Galaxy phone. And when you flip it in, it's like a clamshell that can easily fit into your purse or pocket, which is a bit more of a reasonable concept than what the Galaxy Book had to offer. And when the phone is flipped in, there is a camera setup at the back there, which looks like a triple camera setup. If I'm wrong, the video quality is a bit low, but it looks pretty cool, and the color as well. Supposedly it's going to be like a purplish color. It kind of looks like a gradient color that changes in certain lighting. I could be wrong. Remember, the video is low quality, but it will be very exciting if this phone is actually going to be released. And if it's going to be released, we should expect it from Samsung this month, since Samsung's next announcement usually is this time of the year in February. So it will be very interesting to see how this will compete against the Motorola Razr, and if this phone does play its cards right, I think it might sell better than the Motorola Razr. And if Samsung also does better than Motorola in the specs department, which in this is Samsung we're talking about, and they're known for including a packed full of features and hardware. So I truly believe that the Galaxy Flip Z, if that's what it's going to be called, is going to be a game changer for foldable or flip phones. So the Galaxy Flip Z is supposedly rumored to be using a new ultra thin display glass technology, and it's supposed to be better and improve upon the mistakes of the Galaxy Fold. Not to also mention that the crease is not as visible as it was in the Galaxy Book. It almost does it just as good or better than the Motorola Razr. So that is basically the leaks for the Galaxy Flip Z. Tell me what you guys think about it in the comments, and see you guys in the next one.